Sage Integration is a nationwide, coast-to-coast security integrator. We provide best-in-class solutions for our end users, which include the Fortune 100. We're there to protect the people, the facilities, and the reputations of our clients. As we start to roll out SiteOwl to the rest of our organization, sales, operations, and even service, we plan to see a very high adoption rate. From a sales perspective, we're able to more efficiently and quickly document a new project. What that translates into is a higher end, more detailed proposal for our customers. With our existing customers, we're able to show them a higher level of technology. They're able to see real time what devices we're looking at, what devices we're proposing, as well as the floor plan for those devices. It's giving them a finer level of detail and giving them more peace of mind. In the operational side, we're able to easily and efficiently document changes in the system and use that as a real-time reporting tool for not only us, but also customers. SiteOwl's interface is very intuitive. From our easiest sales guy to our hardest sales guy, we're able to pick it up within minutes. It makes our job easier by allowing them to manage a project throughout multiple phases and give clear visibility from one phase to another, removing those barriers of communication that we often see in organizations. It's given us the ability to basically take multiple processes and convert them into a single process through using SiteOwl.